Already decided a jury will be allowed to see some steamy pictures of Casey Anthony's party lifestyle.
Yeah, you heard about the judge's decision first on Fox last night as breaking news. Tonight, Holly Bristow digs deeper into how it could affect the case.
Log on to photobucket.com and type in the name Casey Anthony and you'll find hundreds of pictures. One thing both the state and the defense would likely agree on, this does not look to be a woman who's camera shy. We've seen interesting photos of Casey in the past, partying with friends, dressed only in an American flag for a party themed anything but clothes. Here's some pictures we've uncovered for the first time. They could be part of the discovery that the state hasn't released. All of them are still on the photobucket.com website. Today, I asked local defense attorney Richard Hornsby what effect releasing more than 1,000 pictures could have.
There's two things that are important. The first is the public perception. If the photos that are released are more prejudicial or they're more inflammatory than the ones that are already out there, it's going to affect the public's perception, or whoever her jury pool is, about what type of person Casey Anthony is.
Second, Hornsby wonders how relevant these photos are in an actual trial. As Casey's attorney Jose Baez pointed out in court yesterday, most of them are more than a year old.
The only way I could potentially see the state attorney being able to use these for any purpose is if Jose Baez puts on some type of evidence suggesting she's a good mother or she's not a party person or something to that effect. If that's the case, well, then the state might be able to come back and use these photos as essentially impeachment information.
Hornsby predicts you'll see these photos all over the news and national magazines. He feels it's a no-win situation for Casey Anthony.
She does have the right to a fair trial, and she also has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. And with these pictures, the only effect they have is to try to suggest that she's guilty of not only her daughter's death, but of being a bad person.
Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News at 10.
And Hornsby thinks that Baez will have to ask potential jurors whether they've seen the photos and whether they have an opinion on them. Then Baez will need to find folks who don't already have a bias against Casey.